Understanding the phrase, "let out a scream," an English language tutorial. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, "let out a scream." This expression is not just about screaming, but it encapsulates a range of emotions and scenarios. Let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, "let out a scream," is a vivid way to describe someone screaming. But it's more than just a scream. It implies a sudden release of sound, often due to surprise, fear, excitement, or even relief. Unlike a regular scream, this phrase often suggests a spontaneous and uncontrolled reaction. Understanding this phrase is easier with examples. Let's go through a few. 1. Surprise. When she saw the mouse, she let out a scream. 2. Fear. During the horror movie, the audience let out screams at the scary scenes. 3. Excitement. As the winner was announced, the crowd let out screams of joy. 4. Relief. After hearing the good news, she let out a scream of relief. In each case, the scream reflects an immediate emotional response. Incorporating "let out a scream" into your vocabulary can add color and emotion to your storytelling. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture, so use it when you want to emphasize the intensity of a reaction. Here are some tips. Use it to describe sudden reactions. It's great for storytelling or sharing personal experiences. Remember, it's not just for negative emotions, it can express positive feelings too. "Let out a scream" is a dynamic phrase that adds emotional depth to your communication. Whether it's in writing or conversation, it can vividly convey reactions ranging from fear to joy. We hope this video helps you use this expression more effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.